To remove and install the battery on your Sportsman 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and ensure the vehicle is in park. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Unlatch the front storage compartment straps and open the compartment. Begin by loosening the two battery bracket fasteners. Lift the bracket with fasteners up and pull out to remove from the vehicle. Next, remove the black negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Then remove the red positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the posts will help prevent misplacement. Next, carefully lift the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the mounting bracket and reinstall the battery. Install the positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Continue by installing the negative cable and torque to specification. Then, coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, reinstall the battery bracket with fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery is properly connected. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.